told you I wasn't that nigga? They lied. I'm that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, oh my. Who told you I wasn't that nigga? They lied. I'm that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, oh my, oh my. That nigga, oh my. I'm that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, oh my. Who told you I wasn't that nigga? Nigga! They lied. Oh! I'm that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, oh my, oh my. That nigga. Nigga! That nigga. Oh! Oh, that nigga. Nigga! That nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, oh my, oh my. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. I never did understand jealousy at all. Because I'm up and they down, they want me to fall. I'm just out here saucing and shaking, my nigga, go ball. But you rather watch me on the screen while you're yelling at calls. When was the last time you did something? When was the last time that you got about the best, son? You still living off your mama now, talking about what I'm about. What the fuck you talking about, nigga? I'm that nigga. Nigga! Oh my. Oh! That nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga don't lie. Who told you I wasn't that nigga? They lied. I'm that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, oh my, oh my. Your outfit costs more than your life savings. You should budget. In the barbershop spreading bad energy about me. Oh Lord, they should smudge it. But when I walk in, shit gets quiet as fuck, cause y'all niggas ain't saying nothing. Your career looks like what a drunk bitch will say before she gives you a number. Fuck it. Y'all like rumors and gossip, talking all day. But y'all don't like the truth. You can comment however you like, but I'd be embarrassed to speak on me if I was you. I pull up on the block and then I do what I'm supposed to when I get up out that motherfucking bitch. Cause standing on the corner in the middle of the hood is counterproductive to us niggas getting rich. Let me tell you about it. This ain't no rap money, nigga. I ain't getting no rap checks. I don't even sell my music, nigga, it's all for free. I go straight from the studio to the trap next. Even if these niggas spit it and they rap best, they don't get it like I get it, so shut that. Somebody tell that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, and that nigga I'm that nigga, oh my. That nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga don't lie. Who told you I wasn't that nigga? Nigga! They lied. Oh! I'm that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, oh my, oh my. Ay, 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 ay. 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 Got me thinking about life. Got a fucking clue where it's about to go. But I know that the people that been holding me down since I was down is the people that are really my bros. My sisters, my family stay close. I have the best son on this earth. I'm just thankful that he understands when I work. That God put me onto this earth as a king, and I had to put the people first. And that's some real nigga shit. I'm just thankful to God I got a real nigga kid. I done seen a real nigga locked up for life, but I ain't never seen a real nigga quit. And that's some real nigga shit. Oh Lord, that's some real nigga shit. That's some real nigga shit. Because I'm that nigga, oh my. That nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, no lie. Because I'm that nigga, oh my. I'm that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, that nigga, no lie, no lie. Cause I'm that nigga. Ooh yeah. Da 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 da. Cause I'm that nigga. Ooh yeah. take her to the streets, to the bedroom, to the church in the morning for the service and brunch afterwards. Cause I'm that nigga. In the Sunday school for little ones, you know, cause Raz love the kitty kids, you know, and then go down the street to the old folks home. Cause I'm that nigga.